Of course, you know what the topic is already. How to review the SSH account of a locked file on Spark VPN. Well, I haven't tested it on another VPN, but it works well on Spark VPN. The reason why I'm doing this video is for those who are complaining about their own SSH, about they are looking for sites, fast sites to create SSH accounts for their AE configuration file that I shared in the last video. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to watch it and get your own configuration file, so that you can just be inputting your SSH account to cause less disturbance. Well, okay, now for this to work, you need to install a Spark VPN and you need to have a Spark VPN configuration file, which I've shared on the Telegram link below. You can get one from there. Okay, now these configuration files, they are very fast when you're trying to connect, and it's very good to get this from them. Okay, now yeah, where I stop. Okay, now to you, first of all, you need to have the configuration Spark VPN file, then you import it. Well, click on tweaks, that's the import, then locate the folder where the Spark configuration file is located. Well, I can get one from on my WhatsApp document. Okay, I think I love this one. Yeah, created by SSH. As you can see, it's a locked file. I can't export, unable to export this config file contain log. Okay, but actually I can review the SSH account of this locked file. I know that's what you've been waiting for. Okay, let's just, first of all, you click on these three dots up here, then you tap on reset. Don't It will ask you to reset application preferences. Just tap on injector. Yeah, now it looks as if everything has been wiped off, but never mind. Click on this image, this human being icon or whatever here close to tweaks. Yeah, it has revealed the SSH accounts where he or she created the SSH file from. As you can see, this is tunvpn.com. So you can use this is another site to create an SSH server account. Sorry, but it won't reveal the password. That's the only flaw in this tweak. Guys, so I hope I have tried for you today. I know it's a rainy day for you, for those of you who stay in Nigeria, most parts of Lagos to be precise. I know it's a rainy day, and I know this will help a lot in helping you discover more SSH sites for you to use in the AE configuration. Thank you, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button icon. Sorry. Thank you very much.